Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the Mcaddon, now act. Verify your Minecraft Bedrock version and back up any affected world immediately so you can revert. Locate the Mcaddon in your downloads or file manager without renaming it. Double-click or tap the file to launch Minecraft's importer. Once done, watch for the imported confirmation. If it opens the wrong app, use the file manager's Open with option and select Minecraft so the packages are registered. Once the add-on imports, you need to confirm composition and compatibility. Open Minecraft settings and inspect storage or packs to see newly added resource and behavior packs. Enable them later. If import fails, copy the Mcaddon, change its extension to zip, and extract folders to inspect manifest JSON files. You can then manually place resource and behavior folders into the game's Mojang folder on your device. Make sure UUIDs and Minecraft version in the manifest match your game. You're almost done. Create a new world or edit an existing one and open world settings. Add the behavior packs first, then the resource packs. Order matters. Enable any required experiments, toggles, or education settings the add-on needs, then start the world and verify functionality. Test key features and observe logs or console messages. If things go wrong, one troubleshooting tip: inspect manifest. JSON for version mismatches, duplicate UIDs, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.